So I'm just going to share with you a couple of exercises, 3 exercises actually. 3 stretches that have helped me in the past with lower back pain. Luckily for me now, and just from lessons I learned in the past, I don't have any lower back issues, touch wood, and that's because I try to focus on stretching before and after my exercises. And anytime I feel a little twinge in my lower back, it's a reminder that, you know what, you're not stretching enough, you're doing too much, and I get back into doing these things again. When I had lower back pain, it was from tightness in my mid back, and that kind of I picked something up one day and I just felt a big pull in my lower back and found out that it was because of that tightness in my mid back. So if you have any back pain, lower back, mid back, wherever it is, it feels really painful, feels odd, feels different, it's best to go and see a professional, an osteopath, a physiotherapist, or your doctor, and find out what the problem is. But if you're someone that just constantly have lower back pain, or you've seen someone and they just suggested some stretches, I think you should try these 3 out. So the first one was my lifesaver. Honestly, I could have done without doing the other 2, and I would have still had the same results. This was suggested to me by someone, I can't remember now. Somebody suggested it to me, and I love that person, even though I don't know who it is, but I'm so thankful. And I've told a few people to try this as well, and they've come back thanking me so much. And I just think it's amazing, so I just want to share it with you as well. So I'm just going to get on with it now because I know I talk too much. Alright. Okay, so this is my favorite, and it's actually the easiest one. All you need is a chair. Lie down on the floor and get your legs on the chair. You want your calves on the chair. It's better to have a chair with a longer seat, so you have a 90-degree angle, which I don't really have here. I'm just showing you here that I do everything while I'm in this position. I use my phone, I read a magazine, and I usually do this when I'm watching a TV show because I want to stay in it for at least 30 minutes. Second one is a yoga stretch. It's called a cat stretch. You get on your hands and your knees and you take a deep breath in and you look up. As you breathe out, you relax your neck, look down towards your belly button and arch your back up. Again, you breathe in, you look up. As you breathe out, arch your back up, relax your neck and look towards your belly button. You do this as many times as you want. I do this at least 10 to 20 times, as much time as I have really. Final one is called a child's pose. It's a yoga stretch again. You get onto your knees, feet together and your knees wide apart, and just get your chest and your forehead towards the floor. Reaching as far forward as possible. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then you move towards the right side. Again, hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Back to the middle and then to the left. Again, you hold for 20 to 30 seconds. That's 1 round. I usually do about 2 to 3 rounds, and this is a nice stretch for the back. Also make sure you're pushing your bum towards your heels as well as forehead towards the floor at the same time.